What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So I'm already in a trade because so basically New York session opened basically like 50 minutes ago. It was like it seems that we didn't have the chance to get in a trade, but now I just took it because I saw a good potential around here, and then I placed it basically limit a limit sell here. So here we go. We're just with 5 contracts because I got scared. The stop loss was 800 here. Um, I don't know why. So we are looking pretty good right now, actually. I just placed it at break even because I saw all the speed to the downside. So if we don't uh, if we if we basically go back to break even, it is fine by me. But for me, if we do wanna go lower, we're gonna go lower like immediately. So hopefully we can invert this first presentation for value gap, although it doesn't seems to. We got a nice reaction. Well, a bad reaction actually, because we don't want to see that. This is the first presentation for Value Gap. Basically, I took this trade um, because here we got an SMT on the high time frames. Basically, with all this buy side liquidity, and then we got a breakout structure here, and then we got a fair value gap here, and then we tapped in, and yeah, nothing. We're now in the trade. I was trying to make a video before. It was already like half an hour long, but I said, okay, if we're gonna go, if you're gonna take a trade, this video is gonna be like 1 hour long. So I just basically delete the video, and I'm making another one right now. Come on. I don't really like this reaction though. I'm really ready to close if we don't inverse it in the next few candles, because this could be a big problem. Could be just the retrace of this big move here. So let's see. Okay, we did close below. Now I'm good. Like I'm more confident in the trade. But I don't know why now the contract seems to be worth a lot more. Like, I know we reached 26,000, so that's probably why. But like before, in the New York session, I would have taken just like 10 contracts. So yeah, that this is a lot. I'm just going with full TP here. I don't wanna get some. I don't wanna get some small TPs around. We actually did reinverse it, so I'm not again too confident about it now. If we do get a closure above those eyes, I'm out. So let's watch for that. I'm just gonna look it here. Yesterday I took a trade. I just basically took the first TP and then break even. But I couldn't record it because I was studying for a quiz for my university course. So it didn't make sense to make a video there. I was just jumping around from TradingView to my um, course paper to study, so it wasn't gonna work. We're getting a nice reaction here. Hopefully we can reach the those lows here. I think we can even go lower, but I don't wanna aim for the stars, you know what I mean? Because like we can even aim for those. Wait, are those? Oh, those are actually like equal lows, basically almost. By I think one tick, they're equal lows, and we could aim also all the way down, maybe to get the 50% or even the upside of the gap. That will be here. Well, it will be a really long dip. Like, I don't think we can get all the way down here. It will be a 9.9. Well, and I don't even have that many contracts to say let's do, like, I don't even have that many. I just have 5. So um all right, we're almost at 1,000 of floating profit. I think we actually already did get the 1,000 at the dip of this candle, at the lows of this candle. So yeah, probably yeah, this is 50, so this could be 1,000 easily. Um, let's see. I'm moving my TP here because this is an order block. We can even maybe, or the older block on the 5 minute, it's basically here, like without counting the weeks. Hmm, I don't know, I don't know. Okay, we got the 1,000. Like, we don't, we didn't still got the 1,000, but uh, I saw it for a second, so I'm happy with it. Maybe he wants to, well, let's stay break even. Like, the other day I got basically stopped out break even because I just placed it a little bit higher than usual, and then basically the price kept going higher after he stopped me out. So let's not do that. Either we go break even or either we go full TP. You gotta stay patient in those cases. I will probably will be not able to stay patient all the way here. We could leave a runner though. We can maybe take like 4 contracts out and then wait for the price to reach all the way down here with one contract like I don't think will make like a lot of difference. Um, so let's say for example we aim all the way here. It will be it will be 4165 divided by 5. It will be 800 actually with one contract. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting actually. Uh, I don't know though. The price is starting to lose momentum. Damn, damn. What's that? I don't even see that many big buyers. Like we got 40 contracts in. So probably when we reach this low, we will get a nice squeeze down. Maybe this move was just some stop losses that got hit, but I don't think somebody will place a trade like here and put the stop here. If we reinverse the fair value gap, I'm not sure if I wanna stay still inside. We we have other contracts here actually. Well, as I said before, we either go break even or we either go full TP. Damn, those are a lot of contracts. But this could be dangerous because if we fail to reach the lows, we won't, like, the price will 100% smash our break even, and so that will be not very pretty. Damn, a lot of sellers. The price should react. Yeah, it seems that the sellers are winning the battle, but we will need to wait until those lows get smashed out. So this was a possible trade that you could have taken here, but I didn't do that. It was actually nice because I could take the first TP, then the second, and then probably break even here if we will end up here. So we are still not having no SMTs around, so that's pretty good for me. We're bouncing around this first presentation for Red Gap, and I don't really like it. There is a lot of volatility right now. Like, all the sellers are protecting those eyes right here. They don't want to get a closure above those. And also the buyers are trying to, like, they're protecting themselves until here. So if we reach this low, we will get a lot of speed to the downside. Okay, nice. Let's look for speed. A lot of contracts here. Ah, damn. It seems that in the long run, the sellers are winning the battle, but it is really taking a long time. Yeah, you see, like every time we reach this area, a big buyer is stepping in to push the price push the price low, the price is low. So that is what we want to see, but We got an SMT over here that is forming. So we took the right choice to place a trade on the Nasdaq instead of on ES, because on ES I will be already out here. But we need speed to the downside. I'm gonna take some water. Hopefully the market will not do some bad stuff in the meanwhile. So I'll come back in a second. Okay, we are probably going to get stopped out. Damn it. Damn, that that is a nice move. Okay, okay. I don't mind this price action. You see, like, if I did the stop loss around here, I was already out of the trade. And then now maybe the price wants to go lower, but I still don't know. We could still just reverse and get to the stop loss, but just saying that if I have my stop loss here, it was basically it was basically already taken out. Come on, Nasdaq, do something. Damn, nice move. Where those are probably by the speed of like by the speed of it, probably those are stop losses. Yeah, like you see the speed I was talking about. Probably here there is more, but I'm not quite sure. You can see some buys here, probably because some take profit. I don't know. 18 contracts with this move are actually not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if we get some speed, as I was saying before. And not actually that much. Like, I saw a lot of contracts here, and that's great because we swept a lot of stop losses, basically, because liquidity sweep is just stop losses that gets it, or even take profits. Let's see, let's see. Okay, this is pretty much it. We can probably go, yeah. Yeah, you see what I was talking about? This is the speed that I was looking for. Hopefully we do get a closure below. All right. Okay, you see now all the contracts. Those are probably some stop losses or maybe some crazy stuff. I don't know. Could be anything. I like you cannot know what you cannot know the from where those contracts coming are coming from. So let's just wait. Let's see what the 5 minute is doing. We just need five. Please close below, please. All right, now I'm more confident to place my stop loss here, at least. It will be not much of a change, but I'm more protected now. Because if this fail, probably all the strategy fail. But actually, I will do it manually because I like, the thing is that I don't want to see the price closing over this high right here. So I actually don't mind if the price comes back and sweep this high right here. So that's basically it. So let's just keep this here to keep the chart as clean as possible. And here there is another bearish fair value gap that we can use as like confirmation, I'll say, because it is no more confluences because we already took the trade and we actually sniped it. I just realized that. Damn. Alright, we got like the price tapped into the fair value gap. Why my crossbar it's flashing? I don't know. Uh, Hopefully it will not do crazy stuff. Hopefully it will not reverse before full TP. Those at least are my wishes. That seems to be a really nice reaction though. Let's see, we are getting some buy volumes. So probably we are preparing for another squeeze. Hopefully though. And we could maybe aim. Damn, still to the first presentation. This man really loves the first presentation for Valley Gap. Please, can I see like a long ass red candle to the full TP? so I can just close the video, leave the computer, probably going in a ride, like in a chill ride with the boys. At least do something. Or you stop me out and I will be pissed off, or you take full TP and I will be kinda happy. I say kinda because it is basically 1 hour and 30 minutes that I'm watching the price and I'm fucking getting crazy. Well, it's damn, look at the volumes. Well, it's still better than a regular job because in this time where I live, I would have made basically uh, 15 bucks, maybe. Maybe 20 if we are very generous with it. Because here the salaries are around like 10 bucks an hour, and it is a even great job. It is not like McDonald's or stuff like that. Come on, Big Candle. Come on. We maybe can do it before midnight. Hopefully. We are still here. Still the same, at the same price level. Just going a little bit higher, a little bit lower. We are basically 50 minutes in the trade. Damn. We're going to get stopped out, aren't we? a lot of sell contracts here. Like it's not looking even that bad actually. Because this is still a downtrend in the 5 minute. But I don't know. This could mean anything. Like here we didn't got the S&T. Hmm. We did got it like in this way actually. But I don't know, we went higher after that, so although we formed an S&T on the downside to the upside, so that's not great. We even inversed this fair value gap and then we tapped in as a confirmation, so not great. Well, I don't even need that anymore. Maybe we can take this small fair value gap here and hopefully get some reaction after we inverse it, but like what are those candles? Like it's 3 minutes that the price is at this price level. Oh, I'm sorry, man. You can also stay there, you know. Come on, a little bit higher though. So we got an S&T divergence to the downside. No, of course not. Of course not. Who needs an S&T divergence to the downside? Come on, price, do something. That because already probably all the people that are watching this already skipped 30 minutes of useless price action. So my video will be just long as hell and with probably just 20% of visualization in the overall. Mm. Can you give me just a tick more? Okay, now we do have an S&T. Hopefully now the price will go lower. Should I use the TJR technique with the magnet on the downside, like here, and the hammer to push the price low? Ah, damn it. I knew I should have closed like here, but then the price skyrocketed to the upside, and then I just said, okay, let's wait to see if the price will go lower. And it didn't. I'm on TikTok and I'm seeing another trader that took um, a short. Well, actually got just stopped out over here. Damn, damn. He just became liquidity to the market. We are now consolidating here. We didn't got another SMT though. 22, yeah, it is this one. So yeah, no other SMTs. I'm probably going to end up the video here, and then probably in the next video I will show if I got to break even or stop loss, because this is bullshit. Like, the price is not doing nothing, but I cannot even like upload the video. Like, there is no title for that. Like, what the title could be, like, trading recap, maybe we did money. I don't know. Oh fucking hell. Ah, come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Please don't tell me that this is an SMT. Okay. Like, this one could be even another trade, because we're in for value gap right here. The price here broke the level, so this could be an actual nice short actually. Stop loss like here, basically, all the way down to here. I don't know. I don't like ES. I just use it as confirmation to see if there are some SMTs around, but today Nasdaq is not cooperating with me. Like, we are in profit, about like 76 cents, 76 bucks, because I took like took 10 contracts and then realized that my stop loss was like enormous, and then I sell those 5 contracts about here. So like 76 bucks, possibly. Imagine if I still have those because I didn't got even in drawdown here. Like I mean, just for this spike right here, but this was a sniper entry. We're not able to close below this fucking fair value gap. How strong it is! It is the one, two, three, four, five, six, seventh time that we touched it and still no closure below. Come on, Nasdaq, come on. Don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, motherfucker. Oh my fucking god. What the actual fuck it is? Ah, like the other video I took the probably the fastest trade I ever took in my life. It was like 5 minutes and the video got 30 minutes long because I was trying to find some other entry that actually I did not find. And now this fucking trade, it is 1 hour and 15 minutes long. Damn. Like I mean, we reached the thousand pretty quickly though. Like this was at 14 and this was at 24. So in 10 minutes we went to 1,000, but there weren't like good draws on liquidity to the downside except for these. So what should I even do? Oh damn, we actually inverted. Damn, like that wasn't the eighth time we tapped in it. Thank you, Nasdaq. Good boy. Ah, if I don't see some speed right here, I'm going crazy. Probably this will be my longest trade ever. Even like, nah, well, I took some trades on stocks, like for example Meta, at the beginning of 2020. No, no, not maybe not actually. Uh, no, it was some years ago, but I don't think that that late. Maybe it was in 2022 or something like that. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, actually, yeah, because in 2020 I wasn't even able to open an account because I wasn't 18. So actually, in 20, no, probably 2023 because I started trading 3 years ago, basically by now. So yeah. And basically I made not a lot of money, but for me it was actually because I was just 18, and I made a lot of money on Meta, and I believe the price there was like 300 and something for for every stock, like for every share. And um, and so basically, I don't know where, like how much it is right now, Meta. Let me see. Damn, damn. I should have folded. Damn, Meta is doing fucking great. What's this? Oh, a bad surprise, I guess. 84% less? Damn. What was the expected? Well, revenue is not doing bad, though. They have like 1.7 billion in revenue, and it's going up. Damn, this was the estimate of the earnings, and this was the reported, and the price fucking dumped it since 750 to 650. Damn, basically like 100 less per share. That's crazy. But anyways, so I made a lot of money here in this market because it was basically in an overall uptrend, as you can see. Yeah, it's every day in an uptrend here. And yeah, probably by the 23. Yeah, probably somewhere here because I'm born in September, so I was 18 since here basically. Okay. And then I started to trade, and this was basically the price action, and I was just buying, and I wasn't even bothering to understand what I was doing. And it went great for me because I was up of basically 3,000. Damn, now the price is looking good. Thank you. Thank you, God. And I was up by 3,000, I guess. And so that were like a lot of money for me because like I was 18. I was actually even working at a time. I was still in high school, and um, so basically, like, uh, like my usual paycheck was 730 a month, something like that, and 3,000 in a really short time without doing nothing was pretty damn good. Like, So yeah, that like when I was doing that, like most of the times, they were like long trades, um, probably for around like 5 days maximum. But yeah, I definitely should have held it. All right, we are coming near the full TP. We're getting the speed that I said before because all these stop losses are getting hit even though the price moved a lot. So the majority of the speed we gain it here because people are probably going to move their stop loss here. And so like as you see, the price just rapidly fell from this level. So I'm pretty happy to see that. I'm pretty happy to have like to be still in the trade. So hopefully now the price don't reverse again. Please. Like for sure this is the longest trade ever took on Nasdaq. Or even like cuz I really did basically anything. Like I tried I basically tried well, I started with stocks because I thought they were much safer. Then I tried Forex because who doesn't start with Forex? And probably every trade here tried Forex at the like for the first time. Then um we got then I got gold actually, but not future, but just XAU USD. Then after that, I basically trade um, gold for a long time actually. It was for a year or so, even more of even more uh, of a year. I will say probably about a year and a half. I don't know, something like that. And then now I started to trade futures because I saw that the price is more volatile. So now I feel like more of an I will not say like a pro trader, but an expert trader because I'm trading since a longer time. So like I know a lot of concepts. I know a lot of confluences, and yeah, I'm making more money than I'm losing. So I will not say that I'm profitable because now I lost the account some weeks ago now, but it was actually just a 50K account, so nothing to be too um, upset about it. But basically now I got the 150 as like an upgrade because I saw that in the month that I had the account I was making money, So, and I saved a lot of them. Probably I didn't recover all the money that I lost along my journey as a trader because, uh, like in a way or another, like every job is expensive because you need to learn the skill set that you need to have for that job. For example, you want to be a doctor, you are gonna need to go in a university to study and stuff like that. So you will need to pay the college um, to teach you how to do your job. And then the same it is for a trader. You're gonna go on the market and lose money over a long period of time to learn a new skill that could make you a lot of money in the long run. So that's basically it. Even like, uh, well, maybe for some jobs like um, low jobs, you don't need expenses like bartender or like waiter or stuff like that. But for like most jobs that you need, like that you can get a lot of money from it, you need to have that tiny risk of losing. Come on, Nasdaq, please, please, man, end my suffer, please. I'm begging you. I'm gonna pop a velo. I don't know how to pronunciate that. Like the snooze, the velo. I actually don't know. I just have those because those are the only one that I can find here that are enough strong for me. I don't like the taste, but I don't care. Like, what do you usually take? Like what brand? Like the Cuba or like for example those are 14 milligrams, yeah, per pouch. So those are pretty strong actually for me. But I really love to pop a snooze while I'm in the I kind of I'm calling trenches right now because this feel like trading meme coin. But yeah, like you you jump in the trading session, pop a snooze, analyze the market, make money, hopefully, and then you're good. Life is good. Damn, on ES, we're pretty far away from those lows here. I'm really curious actually about what other people are doing. There is someone that is aiming for basically the market failure. Damn, what's the TP? I cannot actually see it because the screen is so low. So small, sorry. It is like 25 700. Damn. Then basically, oh no, actually, it's just like to the gap, as I said before. But I'm not willing to wait until the gap. Like I'm I'm tired to watch, to be still here in front of the screen, and the price is still not sure if he wants to take the TP or not. Please, I don't wanna close. I just wanna see a full TP hit. At least I come here at the body candle. Like we're still far away. Like for sure we're gonna hit the TP here because the market is fully bearish. Like we even got the closure here, so this one is another order block. So like there is no way for us, like in the 15 minutes probably even. Not in the 15 minutes, but like we're getting there. Well, actually, this is the order block in the 15 minutes. So like until here. But anyways, like right now we're really close to that level. So like the market moves by sweeping liquidity because like sweeping liquidity means that basically stop losses are getting hit. Okay, so imagine that the market have 10 contracts. Okay, like that the maximum capacity of that market. Okay, and already 10 people has those 10 contracts. Okay, and let's say uh, one people like one person have the stop loss here, another 5 here, and another 4 here. The market cannot do nothing because another like other people cannot buy here. So what the price is gonna do, like trying to reach some contracts before other people are willing to take those contracts. Okay, so that's basically it. So now the nearest liquidity pool is here. There is no other liquidity pool. Like here was another liquidity pool, but it's not doing nothing. Okay, and the other one is basically here. And which one is the closest? This one. So the price should indeed move there, but we will see. Damn. I'm in the market since basically uh 2 hour 2 hours and 30 minutes by now. Damn. There is someone else in a short. Actually, he took a short at those lows. Damn. No, wait. Oh well, he's looking at the 30-second chart. So basically his stop loss, it is basically here. Yeah, it is here. And then I don't know, I just love to watch other people in the market, at least what they're doing. I don't copy trade them because I have my own strategy, and by copy trade them I will not be able to learn anything, and it will not make sense for me. He's out actually. The trader before. I just saw it. That's the second one that get stuffed out in the meanwhile. I guess I shouldn't watch other people. That's that's two. That's the second person that I watch and get stuffed out in a few seconds. Let's see. Uh, this man is not in a trade. He's in drawdown a little bit actually. There is on someone long with the stop loss over here. I don't know why it's so close. It is basically looks like a 6 to 1 risk reward. Let's mark this level because if the third people get stopped out, I'm gonna stop watching other people trading because damn. There is, oh no, this is gold. Damn, and that's the third people getting stopped out. Damn. All right, I'm gonna stop watching people, I guess. Well, let me see just the last one. Okay, another one. It is short. I cannot understand if this is. Oh no, this is forex. Okay. There aren't this many traders around at this time because it is late. It is basically lunchtime. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other traders around. And the market also it's getting really slow. I could also like end the trade here and the recording here and just wait to publish the video and then just write on the title if we ended up uh, making profits or we did we did got stopped out, or probably I closed before. Well, I'm probably gonna do that because uh, well, fuck it. I'm tired. I don't wanna be still in this trade. Like, come on, so fucking long. We still made a pretty good profit all the way down here, and it is 1.3k basically. So I'm pretty happy about that. I guess I hope you enjoyed all the 1 hour and 45 minutes of this trade as I did. And if you liked the video, like, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. And I hope we will see in the next trading recap.